Hello and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create a virtual classroom. To create a class on the Teacher's web app, simply click the Teacher panel in the left-hand corner. Under the tab called Classrooms, click the plus button to create a new classroom. Name your classroom and press Next. Once you've created your classroom, you will see that you have a unique 6-digit class code. Simply instruct your students to join the class using that class code. Students can join a classroom by selecting the icon or photo in the top left-hand corner and selecting Join a Class. Students will type in the unique 6-digit code provided by the teacher. As the students join, they will appear in the teacher's classroom, giving the teacher full visibility over who has joined that class. Once you have created a class, it will be saved under your classrooms in the Teacher panel. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.